puzzle from Divoom. Thanks to Divoom for sending me this item to review. I've got some Divoom's product at home. My very first one was the Timebox. I bought it with my own money and I really like Divoom's product. Very nice. There's even a bag carrying. So it's sealed here. So I guess this is the USB cable. It's USB-C. So I guess that's all different languages. Just let you have a look here. This is from the back. And this is the front here. And there are some buttons here. I need to find out what they are doing. So let me now connect the device to my laptop. It's designed for putting on the desktop very close, and because the display is very small. Let me test the hardware buttons. Here is changing the lights. Okay, it's showing the time and changing the light from the side as well. Okay, now I just restarted the device and it's waiting to configure. Now I can start the Divoom app. I just need to make sure I'm connected to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is enabled. Now I need to add a new device. Add device. And I've got the time skate here. Need to enter password. Okay, now it's doing something. Saying connecting. Okay, connected. I need to confirm the firmware update. Okay, update is done. I need to remove the protection film here. Okay, now I hope you can see it better. Looks interesting, very futuristic. This is the default setting, and here weather information, and in the middle is the clock, and here is the stock market, and there's an audio visualizer. It looks quite nice. The panels are very fine displays. I love it. Okay, now let's have a look to the Divoom app. Okay, the first thing I have to do is go to here. I need to make sure I got the right device selected, because I've got two of them. One is the Pixoo 64, and now I have to select the time gates. And now I have to go to this menu item. So on the top here is the menu. This one on the left hand side is setting up for all 5 panels at the same time, and the second one is for single panel, and the last one is just adjusting the light color, the LED from the at the side here. Let's go to here first. I've got one already added here. I can play it for you. Now you can see it's loading, and there's a weather forecast, and there's a YouTube views displaying, and this is a view count for a single video. Now I can add another one here, and I can select the panel here. So for example, I can add an audio visualizer here and give it a tick. you will see here, there's a visualizer. And the next panel, I'm going to do it with the smart hardware here. This one is a PC monitor. So this one is showing the CPU, GPU usage. I'm going to show you how to set it up on your PC later on. Now I can go to the menu here. This is for setting up all 5 panels. I have all different choices here. There's one very interesting here. That's the clock. For example, I can set up for Halloween here. Let's select this one and say OK. And other thing is I can do like currency exchange. And I already set up USD, Euro, and China Yuan. And what you can do, you can change it from here. And you can see I've got this set up. And if you want more, you can turn this on. And you can see now there are other currencies here. And if I say OK, now you can see it's going to change. This is Australian dollars, and this is, yes, it's flashing in time interval, changing the currency. The next thing I want to show you is how to get the PC monitor work. You need a software running on your PC to send the information to the Divoom device. It's called Divoom PC Monitor. This is the file you need to download. I've already got it downloaded here. It's just an executable file. You don't need to install anything. It's for Windows only. This is the software here. I got the time gauge here. At the moment there's no information at all 0. Now select time gauge. It's interesting. Somehow it just put my PC monitor on the first panel, and now I've got 2 PC monitor. I really don't know what's happening. Even if I go back to this control 2, send it over, and somehow I've got 2 PC monitor here. I haven't even select anything from here. At the moment I've got something running in the background, so just make sure there's a CPU usage. You can see it's refreshing here. This one is not in use. It's basically frozen. So let me try to select the number 2 here. And you can see this is updated. Now you can see use. This is frozen now. I wish there is a way to see this is not active instead of just showing a frozen image. So I really love it. I'm surprised that I find it very useful because I'm not an online gamer and like to decorate my PC environment with LED and so on. But I find this one is really useful, and just by looking at the product itself without turning on, the design is so nice. And even the boot up process, I really love that animation. One thing I'm not too sure why it's booting up always the same settings. I hope it could boot where I left off. The only way I can do is I have to press the mode button here to switch to my settings. And the button is a little bit hard. I feel like those waterproof device. I just don't know why it's so hard to press. Unfortunately, I can't show you all the features on the app. It's basically, it can show normal pixel graphic and social media stats and weather forecast and finance and also online gaming stats. Some of them I have shown it on my older video with the Pixoo 64. This is the design for desktop. I will connect it to my PC permanently. When I'm not working on the PC, it just goes off. That's quite convenient. If you want to use it as a clock, with the large digits, I don't think this is good because it's more useful to put information on a small panel. But if you want to put it for far distance, I think the Pixoo 64 is more useful. This one is basically just one panel of the time scale. This is so large that you can read the information from the distance. I will put a link in the description for discounted order from the Divoom website. If you have any question about the app, just put it in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.